Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel No Homoeopathy, and yes, Samriddhi Sharma is here to guide you. And in today's video I am going to tell you how you can compare the two medicines of your materia medica. That is frequently asked question, and many of the students have asked me regarding this question, that how we can compare the two medicines to get higher marks in the examination. So this video I am going to tell you. So without wasting your time, let's start this video. So first of all, whatever body part regarding, it doesn't matter, you have to follow the sequence while comparing the two medicine. So I have discussed you earlier how you can attempt the comparison portion of your materia medica, that is frequently asked to you regarding the comparison of the two medicines. Okay, so first of all, you have to divide your page into the two parts. That is divided by the vertical line. That is the best way to attempt the comparison portion of the materia medica, and that is the best way to compare the two medicine. And I have seen many of the students writing in sequence. First they write about the one medicine and attempting and writing all the portion of that, and next writing the second part. So that's the worst way of attempting the question, and that will not give you a good marks. Okay, so keep in the mind, you have to attempt the question of the comparison in the way the paper divides into the two parts by a vertical line. Okay, so first of all, you have to write the 2 points what I am telling you, because each and every medicine consists of this point, and this is a point that is going to give you the indication why this medicine is made. And I have told you earlier many times that you must remember the ailments of each and every medicine. So if you remember the ailments of each and every medicine, that will be going to be very much easy for you to write the answer of that question. So for an example, we take an example of the Allium cepa and the euphrasia. That's the most common medicine of the nasal symptoms. So if it is asked to you to write the comparison of the nasal symptoms of the Allium cepa and the euphrasia, how you are going to attempt it? So first of all, you have to write in one portion you will write the Allium cepa, and the next you will write the euphrasia. Okay, so first of all, you have to write the ailments of both of these medicines. Why this medicine is made, why the complaints of the medicines arises, what is the reason of arising the complaint. So first of all, you will write the ailments of the Allium cepa. That is simply from the wetness exposure. As you will find out in the rust stalks, you will find out in the Dilka Mara, both of these are exposed to the wetness, or we can say the spring weather. Okay, so Allium cepa ailments arises due to the spring weather, or we can say the wetness of the patient. Okay, next, euphrasia ailments arises due to the exposure to the warmth atmosphere, sudden exposure to the we can say warm wind. Okay, so after that the complaints are arising. So if you are writing this, that is definitely you are differentiating the medicines on the basis of the ailments why the complaints are arising. Next, you have to write the symptoms that specify your what is asked in your paper. That suppose it is asked the nasal symptoms, we are comparing the nasal symptoms of both of these medicine. So first you have to write the nasal symptoms of the Allium cepa, that the discharge from the nose is acrid, and in euphrasia you are writing the discharge from the nose is bland. Both of them have the watery discharge, but one is having the acrid discharge and the other one is having the bland discharge. From the eyes discharge, the euphrasia will have the acrid eye discharge, and Allium cepa will have the bland eye discharge. Okay, next, if there is any of the accompanying symptoms that are coming with these two complaints, okay, you have to write that. In Allium cepa, the accompanying symptom is simply the headache. The headache is present along with the coryza. Okay, in euphrasia there is the throat symptoms, or we can say the cough symptoms, that arises after the when the nasal symptoms subsets. Okay, so if these two symptoms you are writing, the commoning symptoms that are coming with or after symptoms that are coming after it. Okay, so that's very important. And the last portion that you have to write, that is the modalities of both of these medicines. Okay, how the patient is aggravated or how the patient is ameliorated. Okay, so no matter whatever body part is asked to compare in the medicine, you have to attempt the medicine or you have to write your answer in the way that I have described you in this video. Okay, so this is the most common question by the many of the students asking how we can compare the two medicines to get the highest marks. So this is the best way to compare the medicines. Or if you don't know how to write the answers of the materia medica, a separate video is already made. You can go and check out that video. The link is already provided in the description below, and in this video I have discussed you how you can attempt the differentiating points of the materia medica. So first you have to write the ailments, next you have to write the specifying symptoms, whatever is asked, next accompanying symptoms, and lastly the modalities. So that's all for today's video. I hope this video is going to be useful to you. If you find out this video useful, please share out this video with your friends and colleagues, and thanks for watching Homoeopathy.